Once again, welcome, and it's a red letter day. It's a birthday of Master Blaster. So I am talking about the toughness he has faced in his career, and so many bowlers he have faced, so many toughest bowler, one of the toughest team he has played. First of all, I am talking about the Pakistani pacers Imran Khan, Wasim Akram, Waqar Yunis, and the thrice bowlers have pace. Istra has paced and two time two varieties outswing and inswing. They were masters, and in front of them it was toughest to bat on, but he is a legend and he batted really well. Secondly, the South African attack. South Africa had a well deserved bowler. I think uh, I am forgetting the name. I think Mackay Anthony, Son Pollock, and it's a great bowler. I am forgetting that name. He applies the Vaseline in his mouth, and later I will talk about, and so many other fast bowlers. If you talk about the Australian McGrath, Sain Wan, we can say in spinner, and Jason Gillespie, and Nathan Bracken, Johnson later on, and so many other fast bowler like Damien Fleming, Cos Provavis. So these were so toughest to bat on in front of them. If I talk about the New Zealand, Saint Bond especially, and Daniel Vittori from New Zealand, and so many other local fast New Zealand bowlers, Daryl Tuffy, we can say Kyle Mills. In Asia, I talk about to Pakistan, next Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka have a Uthayam Amulidhan have the spinner, and I think it was Chamravas and Flando, and in 2011 World Cup Kulsekhara as well. And later on, Malinga has introduced in Sri Lanka's attack. So a number of bowlers, numerous bowler, and you know they were faced to talk about the England have had a Cardiff as well, Matthew Hogarth, James Anderson, Stuart Broad, and in later on in 90s, late early 90s, there were so many fast bowlers. If talk about the West Indies, Country Ambrose and Maud Hillan, Peter Collins, and there were numbers of James Terrell, Fidel Edwards, and Country Ambrose were so tough to bowl, and Sakleen Mustak as a spinner on that time, he was top spinner, and I talk about in Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe were on those days so difficult team. So Heath Streak, one bowler. I am forgetting again that name. It was also tough, and he has created that bowler created a great problems in front of them. But he has tackled in the next match, and India won by 10 wickets. In Shahjahan, it was not easy to bat on, and there the desert storm came in front of Aussie's attack. So I think 50 plus toughest bowler he has faced, and that's why he's a god of cricket. And he has hit it hundreds in front of that bowlers. It's not very easy. So that's the greatness of him. That's why we uh, pray to fit and healthy in over years, and I think he is a master, really master, and no doubt about that. So um, thank you. This is the part 2. I am talking about the Little Masters birthday. It is 24th April 2024. It's a red letter day, and I am talking about the toughness of the his batting, during his batting, how the toughest pace attack on these days were not in these days. So this is the part 2. How did you find? Comment on my comment box, and thank you so much for being here. Have a great day.